So back when we were looking for a new carrier, we evaluated a few different SIP carriers, Broadband Dynamics, bandwidth.com, Telnyx, and at the time we were migrating to Genesys Cloud, so we included their own voice service that they provide directly into Genesys. And Telnyx was the most flexible when it came to pricing and commitment. The implementation process was fairly easy. We still had a premise-based phone system at that time because we were in the process of migrating to Genesys Cloud. So I had premise-based session border controllers. It was really easy to set up the SIP trunks between Telnyx and my session border controllers. And it was pretty straightforward setting up the failover. So if one failed at one of my data centers, it would fail over to the other data center and still route to the different points that it needed to route to within my network. So that was really good. And the setup to Genesys Cloud obviously was even easier because we didn't have multiple points that we needed to configure or kind of fail over. So yeah, it went really smooth. So we're a BPO, which is we're an outsourcer. So we handle phone calls for a lot of different clients, different verticals. Most of our clients are in the consumer packaged good or CPG space. So, open up your kitchen pantry and pick a product, call the 800 number, good chance you're talking to us. So, we have lots and lots of toll-free numbers and a good chunk of DIDs. So, again, the fact that you can set up billing groups, things like that within the Telnyx platform was useful. Even we don't use it a lot, but it's there if we need it. We get a lot of our reporting directly from the CX platform, but it's nice to have it there. For me and my team, the interface is great. The ease of use, the REST board process, like your tech support's really good, for REST boarding or if there's an issue. I love the fact that I can grab PCAP files, right off your website if I need to diagnose a call issue. Those kinds of things are great. For the contact center, I would definitely recommend Telnyx from an ease of use standpoint. And, again, from the support side, it's really good. Other than, a few minor issues, we haven't really had any, problems with customer service from you guys. It's been really good. So I would just recommend, on that basis.